Next up,
we're gonna be talking a lot of billionaires.
a lot of billionaire
Billy
talk. We're into the billionaire section of the show.
Yeah.
And we're gonna kick it off
ready.
when it comes to the value of information. And we're not making any accusations here, but how about this? That's Warren Buffett. His Berkshire bought about $1 billion worth of Activision shares before the Microsoft deal.
Sketchy.
Made me want to pick up my what is this called, Mo?
Orba. I think.
That's what Buffett was doing in his just picturing like no, he was celebrating. That's how Buffett parties right there. So where did he buy the shares? You got to go more than 5 days because it happened before that. Go back to the chart, Activision. You got to go to a month. So he buys somewhere in there. Is that what it is? I mean, it just said before.
Sure. Yeah.
What you mean, sure?
Yeah, around there.
Around there. So he goes. So he
Microsoft bought it, then it just to the moon, right?
Are you telling me he bought low and sold high? That's what Mo's been talking about.
He bought it when it was
By the way, I
down.
feel the need to tell everybody
Of course you
that
do.
Mo is a crypto addict now, thanks to Will, who gatewayed him.
I didn't do no such thing.
That's what he told me in the back over there. I said, was it Will that got to you? He said, absolutely. I hate to
I'm
say
out
it.
of the game. Man.
He said, I hate to say it. Well, you're out of the game, but you're living.
I'm not luring.
Yeah.
You're
He's
living,
recruiting.
you're living vicariously through the other addicts and junkies, crypto junkies.
What else did you add in your hard wallet?
Yeah,
Mo?
exactly. As soon as Mo came to me and he said, what do you know about hardware wallets? I was like,
That's
ew.
pretty good.
I was like, ew, man, you're breathing all over me.
It's like, why are you seething?
Yeah, it's like, this is too much. I'm like, why is your jaw clenched shut while you're talking to me?
Just tell me about the hardware wallets.
Microsoft announced its intention to buy Activision Blizzard in mid-January for $68.7 billion. Wow. Buffett is poised to notch a handsome profit if the acquisition closes. A handsome profit. Well, I think he's had a couple of handsome profits in the past. Now, listen, who knows how these deals get done? Maybe his deal was in the works for a long time, even prior to the acquisition. Maybe he knew. Maybe he had absolutely zero information about it. He just liked maybe he just liked the stock. You know, as they would say, Wall Street bets.
Maybe he likes playing Diablo.
Yeah, maybe it's a big deal. Exactly.
Yeah.
You don't know what's going on with that. But he's also possibly just a smart guy. Some might say that as well.
Sure.
But anyway, he got some Activision, and the stock is up. And he's been pals with people at Microsoft in the past. Will, you know that. You were telling me that earlier. You're saying he's in tight. That's what your words, not mine.
They're pals?
Hey, I don't know. I don't know. That's what you said.
I don't know. Just hearing from you. What are you talking about? Okay, well.
What do you want to do? You want to add anything else, or you like that? Any specifics in there, or what? You got sidetracked by Otis choking to death over there.
Well, yeah, that's what it is. Yeah, I think.
Oh, there you go. Bill Gates, co-founder. They said it. I didn't. CNBC said it. Bill Gates, co-founder and former CEO of Microsoft, stepped down from the boards of both Berkshire and Microsoft in 2020. Gates is a longtime friend of Buffett. I didn't say it. CNBC said it. I didn't say it.
Collusion.
So what? Gates is like,
you can't like to say those words. No,
hey, Buffett.
Mo, the reason for the article like that is like, oh, he knew in advance, right? But obviously, you're not supposed to know in advance.
He put a Billy.
Yeah, but he
It's a
puts
big move.
he puts a Billy like Mo puts
Right.
like Mo puts
I don't know where he's going with this, but I
Tokens
don't
in
like it.
his hard wallet there.
like he puts a Billy like Mo puts a Bitcoin.
Sure, yeah.
All right.
He puts a Billy, Mo puts a Bitcoin.
All right, yeah.